At Commondorf, we believe that we together can bring social changes if we organize the capacity and energy of youth towards all kinds of social causes. With this idea, Commondorf app is created. The purpose is to connect youth with social causes. Commondorf app is a social networking app, mainly for college students and for organizations working for social causes. You can find pages of all kinds of social organizations on the app. As users on the app are mainly college students, by using your own page on Commondorf, any social organization can present their work in front of college students very easily. Benefits for any kind of organization working for social causes. Easy and proper coverage. It becomes difficult for organizations working for social causes to take care of their online presence and gain attention of people towards their social cause due to lack of resources like employees, volunteers, lack of finances, lack of marketing team. All events, campaigns, activism for any social cause must get proper attention and seriousness that they deserve. So, how is that possible? The answer is in the photo collaboration feature of the Commondorf app. Before going further, to understand the concept of photo collaboration, you can use the link given below in the video description. In short, photo collaboration can make the work of maintaining your organization page very simple and dynamic. This way, you can publicize all your work very easily with almost zero effort. Publicity among the real potential workforce. Students who work as volunteers or associated with any organization, when they add photos on the organization page, all posts would be visible to all their college friends who can now be aware of the active social work being done, and it makes students or any individual to take pride in all social work that they are doing, and it will always feature on their profile in the app. A user's profile becomes their social resume depicting all social activities done by them. Connecting youth with social causes, giving them purpose. It is very necessary that the youth should know what all good social activism, all magnificent social work is happening around them, and advertising and publicizing can make them really aware of these efforts which goes under mentioned. Your CD page can help to mobilize college youth for social causes. Free of cost. The organization is the complete owner of their page on the CD app, and you can take control over it. You can administer it the way you want. And all this is at zero cost. To organize social work. This will help us together to organize all the social work that is happening so that we can all come together in a big and systematic way. Commondorf itself is a non-profit trust and works for the sole purpose of connecting youth with social causes. Some of the features on the app for the benefit of social organizations. Social tab. The organization page would be listed in the social tab of the app. Social feed. And whenever any uploads are made by the user, even if they don't follow the organization page, it will appear in the social feed. 8PE categorization. For all kinds of social causes, the different organizations are categorized in these 8 categories. To see how the organizations are categorized on the app, you need to watch the 8-point education introduction video. Link to the 8PE video is given in the link description. Social search. You can directly search the organization from the search option. Association list. When a user follows an organization, it gets added to your association list. Social representatives. Any person from the organization can take charge of their organization page. Get your organization added. Leave us a message in case if you want your organization page to be added on the app. Broadcast messages to students. In case the organization requires volunteers, they can send messages on Commondorf messages to a particular college's students, which might be nearby the event's location. Queries. For any queries, you can contact the Commondorf team through the Contact Us option given in the app. So, let's work together in getting youth to connect with social causes and let them take pride for working for social causes of their choice.